What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water by using solar energy in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Why are leaves green in color? The leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. What are saprophytes? Plants which use saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprophytes. For example, Indian pipe and coral roots. What is meant by nutrition? The process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption, and utilization by the body is called nutrition. What is heterotrophic mode of nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from these simple substances but obtain ready-made food made by the green plants directly or indirectly is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Organisms having heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs. Name the green pigment present in the leaves. Green pigment present in the leaf is chlorophyll. Name the structure that carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves of the plant. The answer is xylem. Name the structure that transports food synthesized in the leaves to the different parts of the plant. Answer: phloem. Name the scientist who coined the term photosynthesis. Answer: Charles Reid Barnes. Name any two heterotrophs. Answer is animals and non-green plants. Name any two insectivorous plants. Answer: Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Name the pores through which leaves exchange gases. Answer is stomata. Name one plant in which photosynthesis occurs in a plant part other than leaves. Name the plant part. Answer is cactus plant through fleshy stem. What are the two main modes of nutrition in plants? Answer: first, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Second, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. What are heterotrophs? Organisms that cannot make their own food but obtain ready-made food made by plants directly or indirectly are called heterotrophs. For example, animals and non-green plants. Why is Mr. Toe called partial parasite? Mr. Toe has green leaves which make the food for the plants, but it receives water and minerals from the host plant on which it grows to synthesize its food. Thus, it is called partial parasite. Why do some plants eat insects? Answer: some plants eat insects for fulfilling their nitrogen requirement for preparing proteins. What is autotrophic mode of nutrition? Answer: the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from simple substances like water and minerals, carbon dioxide present in the surrounding are called autotrophic mode of nutrition. What is saprotrophic mode of nutrition? Answer: the mode of nutrition in which non-green plants obtain their food from dead and decaying organic matter of plants and animals are called saprotrophic nutrition. How can we decolorize a leaf? Explain. Answer: we can decolorize a leaf by boiling it first in water and then in alcohol. What are plant parasites? Name any two plant parasites. Answer: The organisms which obtain the ready-made food from body of a plant, that is host, are called as plant parasites. Cuscuta and mistletoe are the plant parasites. How does the pitcher plant catches its prey? Answer. When an insect lands on the mouth of the pitcher plant, the lid gets closed and trapped insect gets entangled into the hair. This insect is digested by the digestive juices secreted by the pitcher plant. Differentiate between parasitic and insectivorous plants. Answer. Parasitic plant. The plant which live on the body of other plants and derive ready-made food from them are called as parasitic plants. For example, Cuscuta and mistletoe. Insectivorous plants. The plants which feed on the insects for fulfilling their nitrogen requirements are called as insectivorous plants. For example, pitcher plant and Drosera. Algae and fungi live together in lichens. What is this association called? What value can we learn from this association in nature? Answer. Lichens show symbiotic association or symbiosis. We can learn to help others and to work together and live together in harmony in the society. Write an experiment to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Sir, to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, we required things needed: a potted plant, a beaker, a Bunsen burner, alcohol, iodine solution, a dropper, boiling tube, test tube holder, patty dish, black paper, wire gauze and tripod stand. Method is: first, take a healthy potted plant and keep it in a dark room for 2 to 3 days to de-starch the leaves. Then cover one of its leaf partly with a strip of black paper and put the plant in sunlight for a few hours. Now plug this covered leaf and remove the black strip. Remove the green color chlorophyll from the leaf by boiling it first in water, then in alcohol. In this way, we get a decolorized leaf. Wash the leaf with water again. Now add a few drops of iodine solution on the colorless leaf and observe it. Observation. We see that the part of leaf covered with the black paper does not turn blue-black on adding iodine solution, while the uncovered part turn blue-black. This is because covered part of the leaf could not get sunlight. Now conclusion is, this shows that sunlight is needed for making starch. How do rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants help each other in survival? Answer is, rhizobium bacteria live in the root nodules of leguminous plants and provide them nitrogen in a soluble form. In return, the leguminous plants provide food and shelter to the rhizobium bacteria. Both organisms have mutual relationship, thus they help each other in survival. Discuss any two types of heterotrophic nutrition in plants. Answer is, two types of heterotrophic nutrition in plants are saprotrophic nutrition and parasitic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the organism obtain their nutrients from the dead and decaying organic matter of plants and animals are called saprotrophic nutrition. Plants which use saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called as saprotrophs. For example, fungi and bacteria. Now is parasitic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the plants live on the body of other living organisms and derive their ready-made food from them is called parasitic nutrition. The plant which obtain the ready-made food is called a parasite, and the organism from the body the food is obtained is called the host. Now question is, nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plant growth, but farmers who cultivate pulse crop like green grams, Bengal gram, black gram, etc. do not apply nitrogenous fertilizers during cultivation. Why? The answer is, farmers do not apply nitrogenous fertilizers during cultivation of pulse crops like green grams, Bengal grams and black grams because these crops are leguminous and have a symbiotic association with bacteria called rhizobium. It fixes the nitrogen. Now question is, wheat duff if left in the open after few days start to emit a foul smell and become unfit for user. Give reason. Answer is, if wheat duff is left open for a few days, then yeast and other saprophytic fungi grow on the carbohydrates present in it. This results in breakdown of carbohydrates which emit a foul smell. Next question is, what will happen if plants' leaves are devoid of stomata? Answer is, if plant leaves are devoid of stomata, then there will be no exchange of gases in the plants. They will not be able to make their food and give us oxygen. Next question. All plants are autotrophic in nature. Do you agree? Why or why not? Answer. No, only the green plants are autotrophic in nature. Non-green plants are heterotrophic in nature. Now next. What will happen if all the plants perish from the earth? Answer. If all the plants perish from the earth, then there would be no life on the earth. Now question is, how can you say photosynthesis maintains balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? Answer is, photosynthesis maintains the balance between the carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release the oxygen in the atmosphere. Thanks for watching.